Okay, scrappers, welcome back to the channel. And NoodleCon, that's right, we're cutting noodles this afternoon off of a lot of these aluminum copper radiators or condensers, whatever you want to call them. I can see I've been cutting through a lot of them. Hopefully, I know you just don't want to sit and watch me cut these things over and over and over again, so I thought I'd just like bring you in on the last two. And all right, watch your ears. There we go. These got the metal ends on them, so you have to pop them off. There we go. Put that in the old trailer. Really getting sick of the trailer. It's just always in the way. I'm really thinking about selling it and just getting a little pickup truck. It's just like maybe if I had a little pickup truck, instead of having to hook that thing up all the time and everything, maybe I'd go and do more dumpster diving, which was my original intent. That and buying copper wire from electricians for the channel, and I haven't been doing either. So yeah, here we go. This is the one I've been looking for all afternoon. Well, not all afternoon. It only took me, I don't know, hour and a half to cut all these noodles. So this one's got an aluminum plate on it, so watch your ears. Yeah, the last batch of these that I cut, I did look at that spider coming out of there. Oh, I got him too. I did them on a stack of these. I stacked them up to the height of one of those things, and I cut the noodles and let them fall right into there. The only thing was bending over like that was killing my back. So I went back to the vise today. Not that that didn't work good. It's just for some reason it was playing havoc on my back. Look at all the crap falling. I gotta drill some holes and concrete them legs into the floor here. All right, let's just double check. Okay, that's magnet, or not magnetic. Those are aluminum. So that's that. Now all I gotta do is clean up all the noodles, and we should be good on that. What a mess, huh? Ugh. Remember getting that out of the dumpster? Still haven't got it listed on eBay. I got so much stuff to list on eBay, it isn't even funny. And I just don't have the time to do it. Ugh. With the working 3 days a week at the hotel, and all my online endeavors, and whew, I just don't have the time. Probably be sweeping up noodles till Christmas. Those things are really messy, aren't they? All that stuff that came out of them. Yeah, so many of those motors to take apart too. Jesus. Yeah. Oh, look at all those noodles back there. This thing keeps falling down. Probably won't even. Okay, noodles, don't go in with the. Don't get mixed in with the aluminum cans. Yeah, pretty soon we'll be relying on that thing to even be able to be out here. I hate that. I wish I lived in a place where it was warm. Yeah. What's the best way do you think I should go about picking all this up? Let me know in the comments. Oh yeah. Get rid of this junk out of there first. All right. And then I got all of this, stuff too to cut down yet. And we got this here to cut all of them apart. It's never ending. But I don't make videos of everything I do because you guys would just think they were boring and you wouldn't watch them. But maybe we'll I don't know. I gotta find some more interesting things to find to get the scrap or whatever. So anyways, I guess let me know in the comments how you would clean that up, and then be sure to watch one of the other videos that's on screen now.